So this is the same modification we did to the front license plate on the R32, and we use the same magnets. You put 2 on the back of the license plate and then 2 on the back of this plastic here. You got them glued in here. And then I can reach this while riding the bike. You just reach around, take your plate off, and it stays on there. You know, I'll have this bike maxed out at 85 and it's not coming off, so no worries about it flying off. I also shaved the reflectors off the tail. These pieces used to go here like that and stick down, you know, behind the plate. And at first I cut the bottom piece off, then I went more, and I really like being able to see the white part of the rear fender underneath the plate and above the tire. A lot better. I'll put the link below to the R32 Magnet modification. You know, so if you go to car shows or somewhere, you don't have to have your front plate, and there's no front plate holes. But with this one, it's just so, you know, if you're riding and want to go places where you're not supposed to be riding, you just reach back, pull your plate off,